Hello everyone. So for today's video, I will show you on how to create a 2D floor plan. But before we start, let me introduce myself first. I am Jesse Duga Jacinto from CEBPG and here is my ID from my university. So let's start. So before I start, I will show something. This is my 2D floor plan that I've been made during creating the progress report or while watching tutorial videos that's sent by my professor. So this is a drawing that I'm going to create. Credits to the right owner of this floor plan. Keyboard shortcut for unit, UN, enter. Then specify the type, precision, and I use millimeters as my units. Go to the layer properties in order to organize your floor plan. Then create a new layer. Then encode the layer that we need on this 2D floor plan. So we're done in labeling the layer property. But before that, we need to change the layer properties to walls. Then go to the line again. Click, then enter the specify the measurement that I've used. Then again to the left side, enter the 7,600 millimeters. After that, press escape. Then click the offset. Then click the true, then put the thickness of the wall at 300 and then offset again. Then we have to put 3000. Then we have to put the thickness of the wall at 300. Then 300 again to the thickness of the wall with the then offset, then put a thickness of the wall, you have 300 again. And offset again for 4000. Then we put the thickness of the wall, we have 300 again. Then escape. For that we need to offset again in the middle So we put the 3,200. Then offset again with 300 thickness of the wall. And now we're going to trim the unwanted lines. So removing the unwanted lines on the right, on the down. Then remove this line. Remove this also line. Then escape. We have also this, and be sure that all unwanted lines are removed or removed. Then now measure if it is correct. So okay, it's correct. Escape again. Then this is the drawing that we are creating. Then for the living room, kitchen, and the bathtub. Yeah. So we have 3,000 by 700 here in the living room. Then the bath. So now we're going to do the bathroom. So offset, click the true, then click the line or the wall, then put a 1000 offset of 1000, then thickness of the wall 150, again offset to 1200, enter, then the thickness of the wall 150 again, so here as we can see, then offset of 1200, then the thickness of the wall we have a 300, then offset again we have a 2150, then offset for the thickness of the wall we have 150, then remove or trim the unwanted lines. So remove this, and remove this also. Remove and remove this, and remove this also. And here remove, and then trim. I need to remove this also line. Now we're going to the kitchen. So click the offset and click the tool, then select the object or walls, then click, then we have a 4000, then enter, then we have the offset or the wall or the thickness of the wall, you have 300. Now let's extend these lines to be closed. Also this line we need to extend, and these lines I will be remove this. So TR for the shortcut or for the keyboard shortcut, then trim. I will also trim this. This also will trim also, so I need to put extend lines. Then how I will trim these lines. I forgot, so I undo first. I undo. So we need to offset first before remove that line. Then offset. Then click the through. And then select the object, then type the measurement. So now as we can see, now we can trim the unwanted lines here and here. Now we can do or make a line for the or break a lines for the door. So I go offset, going up is 900, then going down also is 900. Then now trim the unwanted lines. And now as we can see, we have made the lines are placed that we can put the doors. This line number also with the offset, and enter the measurement, then click the extend, then extend these lines. Then after that you have to trim keyboard shortcuts again. You have 3R, then yan, trim. Now as we can see, we have put again offset for 700. Then now we have to offset again 100. Then click the extend lines, then extend here and here. Then trim the unwanted lines. I will remove here and remove this. And this also. No. I need to first is extend the lines first. Yeah, so it's no good. Now we can trim. Then remove these unwanted lines, remove these unwanted lines, remove. Now as we can see, we created a place that we can put the doors or breaking lines or brick walls. Now we have to trim this also. Now we are created a walls, and the next we need to do is the walls. Go to the layer properties. Then we need to thick the walls, so the line width should be a 0.30 millimeter. Then okay. Then I also put the cha-cha, and the colors I also encode the 90. Okay. Then the line weight should be default. Then the line type is, click the load, then scroll down, then go to the hidden, then press OK. Then now click the hidden, then OK. Now we're done. So click the X or X, so copy this, then click the walls in order to apply the thickness of the line type of the walls. Then click a line that we have midpoint. So first we need to put the layer properties in the window. So we have this midpoint line, then offset this line, click here. Then specify the measurement that we have 750. Then the left side also we have 750. Now we can trim the center of the center line. Then now we need to offset, click the through, offset this line to 100, enter again, 100 again, then 100, enter. Then now We were going to trim these lines or unwanted lines. Then trim, then trim also. Now we can put this on the window to change the color. Now we'll make a cha-cha. So when we say cha-cha, this is the projected element just above the window which shades the opening or stops rain from entering the room and reduces sky glare while looking out the room. So now enter the measurement, then going up, then this point, then this point, and click. Now we have entered the LTS, then put a 20, then enter. Then now as we can see, we have a broken lines in cha-cha. Now I want copy this window to the other part of the house plan. So I use this blue to copy the window, because if we use the green for copying this window, the walls also copied. And so green, so yeah, as we can see, then copy, then select this object, enter, then this point, and move here. Need to deactivate the ortho mode, then please. Then now, as we can see, we have 3 windows here. We need to rotate this to apply on this side. Then to click the rotate. This also we need to rotate for the right side window. I would create this also for the upper window. So now I will put these windows on the wall. So copy, then specific point, don't enter, then move, or copy and paste this wall, the midpoint, then again to the upper part. So yan, as we can see, we have put 3 windows on our house plan. Now we Now we put the another window on the bedroom part. Then copy, specify the point, then move rather. Again, copy again, then move. We placed here midpoint, then click. Now we have a 4 windows on our house plan. Now on the right side, I will put this window. So copy or move, then select this point, then the cursor line, then here. Now as we can see, we have a 5 window. I will also put here, so copy this window, then I put the right side here, down right or right down, then the specific point, enter. So as we can see, I've already put the windows. Now I remove this window. I'll erase this also because I have already put the window in the house plan. Now I copy this line or this window, the specific point, then the point and cursor line, then move here, then once more. Then I will stretch this. Now we're done in stretch the one window. Now we have put again a layer properties. You call him vent or ventilator. Then close, then copy these lines and I will make it bend. Now as we can see, then I will copy this on the butt. Again, I will copy here and put here on the bathroom. Specific the point and point and cursor. Then here midpoint, then enter. Then this also I will put this bend also this. Then enter. Now I've done, I will erase this window. So as we can see, I've already done in this part. So let me see the 3 lines on the down line weight, and also click these 3 lines. As we can see, we have the thickness of the wall. Now we're creating a doors. So go to the layer properties again, and specify the color, which is the 62. Okay, then next, then click the as we can see, this is a measure of 1000 meters, but to sure you need to type the DI, then click here, then we have a 1000. So escape, then go to the rectangle, click this point, then as we can see, we have to put a negative 1000, comma 25, enter. Then now we're creating this art, so click this point, specify this point, and click this point, and going to the up of the door. So then click, then enter. Now copy this door on this part. So copy, then select the object or the doors, and specify the point. This point, and we will copy this part and specify this point and point, then click enter. Oh my god. Yeah, then I will put one copy here. Then as we can see, we need to scale this door rather, to fit on that part. So click this end point, then click the reference. Wait, again, let's do it again. Scale, then select the object first, then enter, then specify the base point, then see the end point, click, then press the reference or click the reference. So I will put here particular, then specify the point here, then specify the end of the doors, then click. So now as we can see, we have already fit the doors. Now to the other part, we need to mirror, so copy the object or select the object, then I will use this midpoint, and yeah, as we can see, then yeah, so I've already 3 doors that put. Now we move this wall on that part, so I will align that window, then select the object, then enter, then specify the wafer source point, specify the first source point, then specific one. No, again the other one, specify the first point, then enter. Yes, and now as we can see, we have already put the door. Now we need to mirror this yeah hobby, yeah. So and yes, yeah, so we have already put the window here. Now we have to put the window for the bathtub, or bathroom rather. So select this option, specify the point for the copy, then move here, then I purchase, then I want copy. Now as we can see, we don't have fit, so now I'll select this object to scale. So select the object, then enter and specify the base point, then click the again specify the reference, then now go. Now as we can see, I've already put the doors, so only one doors left to put. So you need to align, click the modify to align, then click the align, then select the object, then enter, then specify the base, again, first force point, then here and here, then yes. So as we can see, we've already put the doors on our drawing.